to get on the road again. The life I love is making music with my friends. And I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again. Going places that I've never been. Seeing things that I may never see again. I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
I smell peanut butter.
Yes, sir.
We're going by the Smucker's peanut butter plant right in town here. And today starts the 20 something peanut butter festival. They have a parade and bands playing and fireworks. So maybe we'll catch a little bit of that tomorrow.
That would be nice.
Yeah. And then we're gonna, Gabe's. We gotta return something and see if they have another size for me. It's gonna be a beautiful day. It's Friday the 19th.
We just had this conversation.
19th. So let's see what happens. It tells me to turn this way, so eyes are turning. We'll catch a little foliage, I hope, because every day gets a little more and more. Oh, look at, they decorated the dogs
Oh, how cute.
and bears. And we got a nice tree right here. Camera on.
The camera's on. We have to do a mic check. My mic is hanging off of my chin strap.
Oh, chinny chin chin.
And John's is hanging off of his microphone
Boom.
headset. His boom.
Big boom.
So we get too much crackle. We'll see where it's coming from.
We're trying to figure out
And
what a
we're
crack
doing
is.
48 miles an hour.
Okay, I'm gonna cover mine.
Okay? I'm going to cover mine. Good.
Okay. This completes our test of the National Broadcast System.
John and Rita broadcasting system.
We forgot to say, this is only a test. Yeah, we're losing our minds.
When fall comes to New England, the sun slants in so fine, and the air is so clear you can almost hear the grapes grow on the vine. The nights are sharp with starlight, and the days are cool and clean. And in the blue sky overhead, the northern geese fly south instead, and leaves our Irish setter red. When fall comes to New England, when fall comes to New England, and the wind blows off the sea, swallows fly in a perfect sky, and the world was meant to be. When the acorns line the walkways, then winter can't be far. From yellow leaves a blue jay calls. Grandmothers walk out in their shawls, and chipmunks run the old stone walls. When fall comes to New England, frost is on the pumpkin, the squash is off the vine, and winter warnings race across the sky. The squirrels are on to something, and they're working overtime. The foxes blink and stare, and so do I. 'Cause when fall comes to New England, oh, I can't turn away from fading light on flying wings, and late goodbyes a robin sings, and then another thousand things. When fall comes to New England, when fall comes to New England.
Fallen leaves that lie scattered on the ground, the birds and flowers that were here now can't be found. All his friends that he once had are not around. They are scattered like the leaves upon the ground. Some folks drift along through life and never thrill to the feeling that a good deed brings, until it's too late and they are ready to lie down there beneath the leaves that's scattered on the ground.
We went to the Burger
Hut.
Burger Hut Chew.
Yep.
What a good burger that was.
Made fresh every day. Ground their own beef.
It was yummy.
I even had a burger. I skipped the salad and went right to the meat. Wow.
I'm corrupting you.
Well, you can't beat a smash burger that actually really wasn't a smash burger, because it wasn't thin like a smash burger, but it was delicious.
So if you're in the Butler area, I must stop. We might have a little bit of foliage around here. Now that the sun's shining, maybe we'll get some color. We're heading home. We went to Gabe's
Yeah. And the Burger Hut.
and the Burger Hut too. Now we're heading home and hopefully get some color on the leaves and trees and
It's still kind of early.
yeah. But every time we get to a nice spot, the sun goes in. We'll have to try again tomorrow. Because when the sun hits it pops. Cramp.
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 Dave's got a cramp.
Uncramp. We got, I see a little bit of color. That's because the sun came out. We're tired of listening to GPS, so we're taking our own road.
Yeah. Boring.
don't know where we're going to end up, but we'll end up somewhere. We're not going left.
Dry Gulch Road.
Yep.
Oh,
Looks like a dirt road to me.
yeah. Oh, yeah, sure is. Roebuck.
Ah, yes. Yeah, we do have some color coming in this part. Not as good as up north. But that's tomorrow's ride. Yeah, I know. Got color there. And we got a school bus in front of us. Oh, we got some color here too. We're gonna take what we can. Oh, look, yay, we're finding some, yay! There's some there. We get excited when we see them.
Yeah.
This early anyways. Yep. Here we are coming into Katanning and we're going over the Allegheny.
Again.
Look, color.
Wow. More color here than anywhere else.
That's it. 28. Whee! I think we're gonna have a good season.
Yeah.
But we are supposed to get some rain next week. Oh my.
Well, we're supposed to go to Benazet tomorrow. Thank you. With
Wow.
Amy and Bob. We'll see how that turns out.
We will usually meet that forgets where we're going. That's pretty.
Yep. See, if what we think is foliage could be dead trees.
Hey, it's a different color.
True.
It's not green. The leaves turn brown, dead trees are brown.
True.
Damn.
It looks like he's ready for a snowstorm.
I got 86 degrees.
Yeah.
It's snowing leaves. Sweet home. What happened to you?
I'm here.
Oh,
I said home sweet home.
okay, that's better. Thanks for coming along with us. And we had a good day. And stay tuned for tomorrow. We're supposed to go to Benazet. So don't forget to subscribe
Like.
and hit that bell so you don't miss anything.
I'm here at Puppies.
Puppies are barking.